You may or may not have seen my recent video, 6-gun air conditioners Blitz, best defense. While editing that video, I realized I had made a mistake and asked if anyone could see what it was. Nobody got it. I went back to correct it. What follows is my offense and the correction revealed. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. So, and no one so far caught what I did wrong, the mistake I made on noticed it while editing the video. And what it is the coloring on this capacitor fan is blue, red is Herm, common is orange and yellow. So the red is Herm. I've got this factor, it's going to pull the disconnect. Make sure our fuses are nice and tight. Going to discharge the capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. And what we're going to do is switch the Herm, which is red. So, showing you here, the yellow is actually orange and yellow are common. So here we go, and the red. Okay, there's the red now going to Herm, how it should be, and then the yellow going to common with the orange. There we go. And it totally didn't make sense to me when I was hooking it up. I was looking at it and that was my instinct on it. Now we'll plug the disconnect back in and we'll verify that everything starts up like it's supposed to. Here we go. Luckily, didn't hurt anything. Here goes. Nothing, but why do we have no power? I disconnect this as a little there's something going on with the fire department. I don't know what. Okay. Nice and tight now. Okay. Okay, we're plugged in. Okay. And now we'll test it out. There it goes. Yeah. Good, nice and cold. Nice and quiet unit. But now everything's where it's supposed to be. Yeah, luckily we didn't hurt anything. And luckily we caught it. Always pays to check your wiring diagrams, especially when you're got different units that you're not quite as familiar with. It tells you the colors on the capacitor. This one right here, Herm is red, common is orange and yellow, and the fan is blue. So why do different manufacturers use different wiring colors? My theory on that coming soon in an upcoming video. So tightening down the incoming wires, I did a ton more of these. Tightening them all down and tightening down the ground screw. I don't think this is something you need to do necessarily every year on a new install. I think I would do it again after the first year of the new install. And then I would say about once every 5 years, every 3 to 5 years. And where possible, checking the disconnect fuses to make sure the fuses themselves are tight in the disconnect. Going through, you have to take precautions not to over tighten it. Over tighten things as well. You can strip screws or you can break contactors by over tightening, but tightening these all down about once every 5 years, and tightening the disconnect wires about once every 5 years. Alright, it's the 52nd unit today. After this, be careful on this one. Alright, and the ground screw. There we go. Now all I gotta do is put all the covers back on. That's a done deal. Whew, getting warm. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.